Welcome back to Chainmind, where we break down the latest in crypto news to give you the insights you need. This week, we've seen monumental shifts in the market, from Bitcoin hitting new all-time highs to the impact of Trump's re-election on crypto, with major moves in Ethereum and Solana, shifts in global interest rates, and even Ethereum surpassing Bank of America in market cap. For Bitcoin, Ethereum holders, and crypto enthusiasts, each story today will show just how these events could shape the future of crypto. Let's dive right in. We kick off with the Bitcoin rally that has the entire crypto community buzzing. At the start of the week, Bitcoin was trading sideways around $69,000, with traders anxiously waiting to see if it would break resistance. Then, a game changer. Pro-crypto candidate Donald Trump won the US presidential election. The market responded instantly, driving Bitcoin to a new all-time high of $77,199 within just 24 hours. This move wasn't just hype, it's a sign of growing investor confidence in a pro-crypto stance from the US, with Trump's victory suggesting the possibility of friendlier crypto policies ahead. Bitcoin's rise here speaks to its strength as a store of value during significant policy changes, giving holders fresh confidence in its future. Ethereum wasn't left out of this wave of optimism. It's been under pressure lately, hovering around $2,400, but Trump's win shifted momentum here as well. After months of stagnant movement, Ethereum finally rallied, climbing past $3,000, marking a 27% gain. While it hasn't yet broken its all-time high, Ethereum's upward move signals a renewed strength that Ethereum holders have been waiting for. This week's movement suggests Ethereum is still a vital player and could see further upside as a decentralized platform for dApps and smart contracts, especially under a pro-crypto administration. Following close behind, Solana made a major move of its own. Trading at about $155 at the start of the week, it spiked to $204, signaling a boost in investor confidence for the altcoin market. Solana's rise reflects growing interest in decentralized applications and platforms catering to DeFi. With its high-performance blockchain, Solana is increasingly positioning itself as a critical layer within the crypto ecosystem, making this 30% jump a significant sign of its potential role in the market. Now let's dive deeper into the global market reactions to Trump's re-election win. Beyond the crypto market, Trump's win sent ripples across the global financial markets. Wall Street hit record highs, the US dollar experienced its biggest gain in nearly a decade, and banks rallied in anticipation of higher interest rates and a stronger dollar. Trump's commitment to making the US a Bitcoin superpower sharply contrasts the Biden administration's regulatory stance, adding fuel to this rally. The US dollar strengthened by about 1.65% against major global currencies, while the pound and euro took hits, reflecting investor confidence in a robust US economy under Trump. In Japan, the Nikkei 225 surged by 2.6%, whereas China's Shanghai Composite Index ended slightly down. This all highlights how intertwined cryptocurrency and global financial markets have become. Trump's stance is a beacon for crypto advocates, setting an optimistic tone for a potential crypto-positive era. For Bitcoin holders, this new landscape offers hope that both traditional and digital assets can coexist in a favorable economic environment. Adding to the momentum, Coinbase's CEO Brian Armstrong celebrated the election of 238 pro-crypto candidates in Congress. This political shift could usher in a new era of crypto-friendly policies, directly benefiting digital asset holders and businesses. Armstrong's statement underscores the growing influence of crypto advocates in US policy, signaling a positive direction for industry expansion and potentially opening doors for crypto projects to thrive in America. Futures markets are also hitting significant milestones, with cryptocurrency futures reaching an all-time high of $23.3 billion in open interest. Binance is at the forefront, holding 35% of this market. This surge in futures trading reflects a booming interest in crypto investments even beyond spot markets. For investors, the heightened liquidity in futures markets is a signal that major price action could be on the horizon, making crypto futures a growing area of opportunity for those interested in capturing market volatility. Now, an interesting twist in the story, Vice President-elect J.D. Vance's personal stake in Bitcoin, reportedly worth between $310,000 and $618,000, has caught major attention. This isn't just a symbolic gesture, it shows that crypto is gaining traction at the highest levels of US government. Vance's open support for Bitcoin adds a layer of legitimacy to the asset class and could pave the way for greater adoption. As more high-profile figures publicly endorse Bitcoin, we are likely to see increased interest among mainstream and institutional investors alike, marking a pivotal shift for crypto. In a significant development, analysts at JP Morgan believe Trump's win will boost Bitcoin and gold, especially with MicroStrategy's massive $42 billion Bitcoin acquisition plan underway. The debasement trade, where investors flock to assets like Bitcoin and gold during inflationary times, aligns with Trump's policies of expansionary fiscal measures and tariffs. This move is critical for investors looking to preserve long-term value, positioning Bitcoin as a strong hedge against traditional currency devaluation and inflation. The Federal Reserve's recent interest rate cut of 25 basis points further complements this narrative. With borrowing costs lowered, demand for higher-yielding assets like crypto could increase. This cut reflects a cautious optimism from the Fed, offering a supportive backdrop for Bitcoin's growth as investors seek assets with growth potential amidst falling rates. And adding to the excitement around Bitcoin, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF saw a record-breaking $1.1 billion inflow in a single day. Institutional demand is surging, with BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust dominating the day's activity. This inflow highlights that institutional investors are actively moving into crypto through ETFs, a trend likely to introduce greater liquidity and possibly more stable pricing over time. In another symbolic win for Bitcoin, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF has now overtaken its long-standing gold ETF in assets. As of this week, IBIT's assets hit $33.2 billion, surpassing the $32 billion held in BlackRock's gold ETF, IAU. This shift signifies more than just investor interest. It's a fundamental change in how the market views safe haven assets. For years, gold was the ultimate store of value, but now Bitcoin is staking its claim. This rapid shift from gold to Bitcoin as a preferred asset highlights the growing trust in decentralized digital assets as part of modern portfolios, reshaping investment priorities in a digital world. And the big news doesn't stop there. Ethereum has just achieved a remarkable milestone by surpassing the market cap of one of America's largest banks, Bank of America. With Ethereum now valued at $353 billion compared to Bank of America's $346 billion, this flip signifies more than just a number. It's a symbolic victory for decentralized finance over traditional banking. Ethereum's market cap surpassing Bank of America reflects the broader trend of digital assets gaining ground as viable financial platforms, further proving that the future of finance may be built on blockchain technology rather than legacy systems. As a final note, we're witnessing retail interest in Bitcoin and crypto skyrocketing as Google searches for Bitcoin surged with the latest price rally. With Bitcoin hitting an all-time high near $76,000, the search trends indicate that retail is coming back in a big way, with YouTube views on crypto channels also spiking. For those already in the space, this is a sign that the market could see more activity as new retail investors begin to enter. It's a reminder, if you're here, you're early. Buckle up, because we could be in for another wild ride. This week has shown us just how interconnected the worlds of crypto politics and finance are becoming. Trump's re-election and a pro-crypto Congress could accelerate adoption and reshape regulations, while institutional investments like BlackRock's ETF signal rising confidence from traditional finance. For investors, These developments provide a wealth of opportunities, but also remind us of the volatility that still defines this space. Thanks for tuning in to Chainmind, and stay informed as we continue navigating the ever-evolving crypto landscape. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest insights.